This is a tutorial to use the YourBell memory card programming software. This is version 3.0, the latest version. You can see that's so it says. The latest version will run on both the Mac and Windows. If you have Win 8 or later, you're probably going to have to download the latest version of the Java runtime environment. Okay, what is shown here is what ships with the typical YourBell on the memory card. We have two sound files here in the sound list. This holds all the sound files that are located on the memory card. This box here tells you how it's divvied up, whether it be between a particular season or input. We have Here Comes the Sun and Some of the Heroes. Season 1, we put Some of the Heroes under input 1. Input 2, Here Comes the Sun. The occasions typically thought of as different times of year, so you may have things that you put on for spring, things for summer, things for football season, Halloween, Christmas, so on and so forth. The inputs, like I said before, input 1 is the front door, input 2 is typically the side door or rear door. Okay, the first thing you'll normally want to do is delete what is on the memory card so you can add what you want. Say you want to remove this, you delete files, you throw an error. Reason being is it needs to be eliminated from the sound file list first, where the seasons, occasions, and inputs are. So if we come here, this is how you remove files. Now you're able to remove or delete these sound files from the memory card. Now we have a blank card. Next thing you'll want to do is add files. Locates them all on the right-hand side, which is our repository for all sound files. Add those to occasion 1, input 1. And we just selected another sound file for occasion 1, input 2. When you only have one sound file and an input, every time the doorbell button is pressed, that is all you're going to hear. In the case where there are several sound files, the first time the doorbell button is pressed, you're going to hear this one. The second time, this one. The third time, and then the fourth time. Now let's say you're not satisfied with just one season or occasion. You want to add another one, let's say Christmas. You index the number of seasons, and then go to the current season, set it to 2. Now we're going to add more files. As we did before, now we have current season 2, input 1. Input 2. Now each input can hold up to 255 sound files. The complete list here on the right can hold up to 255 sound files. You can reuse sound files on different seasons and occasions. So if we go to add a third, current season 3, you could actually put a couple of the previously used ones. And input 2. When you're satisfied with what you've done, you hit Save Changes to the memory card. And then if you want to look at to make sure that the changes took, you find memory card. That reads everything that is currently on the memory card. If you want to get rid of a season, all you have to do is, the easy way is to, especially if it's the last season, is set the number of seasons to 2, and that will have eliminated season 3. The other way, of course, is to go through and to remove the sound files from input 1 and input 2 for the particular season that you'd like to get rid of. Anyway, this explains or shows how to read the initial memory card, add the sound files that you wanted to it, create new seasons or occasions, and add sound files to those, and how to save the information to the memory card, and also how to read information from the memory card.